Hey guys, welcome to another video. A few months ago, this 92 4Runner barely ran. It took some work, but we got it up and running again, and it's time to tear apart the interior, get this thing nice and clean inside, as well as take care of the faded paint on the outside. See if we can bring it back to life. I don't know about you, but I love driving around a clean truck. So let's go ahead, let's make this old Toyota look like it deserves to be back on the road again. If you've been following the series, you know we spent a lot of time in the engine bay getting this thing up and running, but the inside hasn't seen much love. The carpet is pretty dirty. There's dirt everywhere. And every time I jump in this thing, that's all I can think about. It's just how dirty it is inside and I'm driving it. And honestly, the interior is one of the biggest reasons I bought this thing. It looks so good. Everything's intact. There's no giant holes in the seats. Nothing is falling apart. And I just really want to make it look like it should, like it deserves, right? And then there's the paint. I mean, the oxidation on the paint is insane. You can see on the hood and on the roof, it's gray where the paint has just completely faded away. I'm not sure how much of it can be saved, but that's what we're going to find out today. So let's get started. We're going to start on the inside and work on our way out. I am so excited. Let's do it, guys. Look at this piece of garbage. This is like so nostalgic. If I can find a picture for it, I'll pop it up. But it looks like that bubble gum, like Hubba Bubba bubble gum that had like different flavors and whatnot. But that is so cool and kind of gross. I don't know if that's the expiration date, but dang, finding all sorts of treasures in here. Okay guys, so I think I got all the vacuuming done and shampooing out of the way. Now we can go ahead and wipe stuff down, getting all of the plastics and whatnot wiped down free of dirt and then treated with some sort of protectant to keep it nicer, longer, and shinier. Now I should have done this in the first place, but we need to take off this dash cover and it looks like they just Velcroed it on. So I'm gonna get this off of here, thrown in the washer, and then put back on. I actually really like it. It's very nostalgic, very 90s and old truck-like, right? But it also covers up the damage on the dash. Something that's just irreversible, but if we can cover it up, I think that just looks a little bit better. So we're taking this off, wiping things down, and then we'll do a little bit of a reveal. It's looking so good, you guys. I am so excited to show you. The interior is done, at least as far as I want to take it. Is it perfect? No, I don't think so, but it looks great. I think with as much time as I put into the interior, I'm pretty happy with how far we got it. A lot of it is sun damaged and I was able to clean up the majority of it. I don't know if you can tell, but it is hot out here. So I'm glad we got the interior done. I'm ready to move this thing outside, give it a good wash, and then we're gonna move it back in here once it's dry and buff it down. Tell me what you guys think so far. Does it look great on the inside? I'd really appreciate a comment down below. That was the first half. Now we're moving on to the outside and hopefully fix up this paint a little bit. So let's keep going. Before we get out there and wash the truck though, I wanted to tell you guys about Coverado. I partnered up with them to bring the 4Runner some awesome seat covers. They're actually a pretty solid set for being universal, but they also have custom fit seat covers for almost any vehicle. From what I can tell, they're super durable. really easy to install, and I think they'll protect the seats on this 4Runner for a really long time to come. They make them out of solid materials like this leather here, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed. So if you want to snag your own set, use the link in the description. But let's go ahead. I'll finish this install and then roll the truck outside and we'll get it washed. The truck washed and I started buffing it. Are you kidding me? Look at that shine, you guys. This is insane. I sound like Lightning McQueen.
Wow, look at that shine.
Anyway, look at that. That like deep red shine in it. And then you walk over here to the oxidized door. I mean, come on, come on. I think that is so worth sticking around and just getting her done. I think we just focus on one fender at a time. We should be able to have it done in a couple of hours, and I think I'll be even more happy and impressed with myself that I was able to just grind it out and get it done. I'm super happy with how this is turning out. I'm like falling in love with this truck again. I'm sure you guys can understand, but like a clean and just good looking rig, especially after pouring your heart and soul into it, to be able to get it to where it looks so good and then just drive it is something that needs to be talked about. It's a great feeling. So that's what I'm chasing here, and we're gonna get this thing buffed out and then we'll do a final reveal. Everything's going great and I'm super happy with how everything's turning out, and can't wait for you guys to see the final results. I can't wait to see the final results either. So let's keep going. All right, we're starting to run out of time. It's actually starting to rain a little bit. Check this thing out. It is a totally different truck, you guys. I just want to say that was a ton of work, but I think the payoff was totally worth it. This thing looks super nice. I buffed everything with some compound and wax, except for the roof, just because it's hard to get to. I don't really see it, and it's completely destroyed and faded anyway. So I'm happy with doing the sides and the hood and just shining it up. Oh, and the trunk. We did the trunk as well. So what do you guys think of the transformation? I am blown away. I'm also super exhausted. I did this in like 100-degree heat, at least the back half of it anyway, the second half. And I am just super happy with this 4Runner and the series of videos that we've been making. And I'm just ready to take a break, I think. Relax for a little bit, but I hope you guys are happy for me too. And I hope that you guys can stick along for the rest of the videos and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for being here. It means the world to me, and I'll see you in the next one.